Hello everyone! In this video, we will watch a video of an artisan building a log cabin on rocks in the forest. The first goal when starting a hut is to ensure a solid and stable foundation. Large rocks form the main support base for this. Every stone is precisely drilled, and ribbed steel bars are placed inside to act as secure anchor points. The concrete is poured into the mold, forming a strong and long-lasting foundation after it sets. A bitumen coating is applied to the surface to create a waterproof protective layer. The logs to be placed under the hut are also processed to provide protection against external factors. The man who built the cabin cuts and processes all the materials himself. From logs and planks to doors and floors, everything goes through his hands. Every log is precisely trimmed to a measured length to adjust for ground irregularities and achieve perfect level alignment. Moss can be used as a natural insulation material. The gaps between the logs of the log house are filled with natural moss. As the moss dries, it compresses, preventing the passage of air and water, thus making the house both warm and durable. Every floor joist is coated with a protective treatment that safeguards it from decay, mold, and insect infestation, common in humid forest environments. Floor beams play a vital role in holding up the cabin's subfloor and ensuring that the weight is evenly spread throughout the entire structure. Created temporary scaffolding and ground platform to work safely while placing high logs. Choosing the right location in the forest is the crucial first step toward building a durable and sturdy log cabin. Logs of uniform shape and dimensions stack more easily, minimizing the need for additional cutting or alignment. The hut is made more stable with some support elements. Once the walls are completed, the construction moves on to the next key stage, installing the roof. For centuries, builders have relied on rafters in timber framing to build durable, self-supporting roof systems. Their main function is to channel the roof's load onto the walls, ensuring the cabin remains steady during snow, rain, or strong winds. Diagonal braces made of logs are installed between the top ridge and the base logs to stop movement and balance structural forces across the frame. The gable roof design creates a large open attic inside the shed, often used as additional storage space. This process is carried out to prevent water leaks and moisture accumulation that may occur in the wood under the roof over time. The roof battens are fitted first, then horizontal beams are added across the rafters to provide additional strength and stability. Exterior rated plywood is used for the subroof since it withstands moisture and short-term weather effects. A metal plate is installed to maintain fire safety where the stovepipe goes through the cabin's roof structure. A mineral-coated roofing felt is laid down as the final layer, sealing the entire roof and protecting it from the elements. Once the roofing felt is in place, a stainless steel chimney pipe is fitted through the designated opening for the wood stove. A chimney cap is installed on top of the pipe to keep out rain, snow, and small animals from entering the flue system. This type of roofing is particularly effective for cabins in isolated or forested locations that require durable and low-maintenance protection. The earliest cabins served as vital shelters for pioneers, hunters, and farmers who made their homes deep in the wilderness. Even today, the log cabin stands as a strong symbol of breaking away from modern life and embracing the simplicity of nature. Fiberglass is laid on the roof of a log cabin to provide waterproofing, thermal insulation, and durability. The parts required for the stove chimney are about to be finalized. Building cabins attracts DIY enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on work and the satisfaction of creating their own homes. He is building a terrace for the entrance to the tower and will also cut a hole in the hut for the door. Cabins are viewed as timeless creations that blend traditional craftsmanship with the conveniences of modern living. Cutting and sawing for the door beam and frame has begun. As we said at the beginning of the video, this man cuts and creates every material himself. Now it's time to build a door. Once the door hinges are installed and finally adjusted, the door process is complete. The membrane lets vapor escape but blocks liquid water, protecting the floor system from rot and mold buildup. The membrane is firmly fastened to the joists to avoid sagging and guarantee complete coverage underneath the floor. Solid wood tongue and groove panels naturally expand and contract with shifts in temperature and humidity. Once the stove installation is complete, there is not much left. While watching this video, everything may seem easy. But remember, This is a project that requires expertise. I recommend checking out the project owner's YouTube channel. There's a longer version and more detailed instructions.